Okay, now we have a couple of clips that have been captured. We have a couple of JPEGs that I have imported and a couple of sound files. Uh, I'd go ahead and continue building the information over here in the project window, which is also referred to as the bin. There is a little toggle down here where you can change from list view to icon view, so if you'd rather see them as large icons, you can certainly do that. It gives you a little bit better view of what it is that you're looking at, or you can leave it here as list view. And again, if you double click on an item here, it will display here in the source window. You can also come up here to a little pull down and you can select. So as you've opened things here in the source, you'll be able to go back and look at them again without actually going over to the project window. So we have a clip here, but what I was going to do is go ahead and build a quick title. So we'll go to title, new title. We'll just do a default still. We'll create like a little opening title. So you can give it a name, whatever you want. In this case, I'll call it the open. And then you click OK. It'll open up the window here. It puts it over black, which you can toggle that here where you can show background video. So if you had background video or not, there isn't any up there right now, so that's why I was showing black. You can toggle back and forth, but you actually will make that decision later. But that will give you an option to see what it looks like. So we'll just go ahead and click here and we'll call it IFT 300 final project as the title. Then I'll come and click down here and I will put my name in. So now you use the icons over here to change. So we have a text tool. You also have a vertical text tool that you can use. You can do change the path of it. You have a pen tool. You can also do shapes and other things. So you can play around with this, kind of take a look at it. I want to select the select tool so that way I can grab this and I can kind of move it around to where I want it. And so I'll kind of center that up there. As you can see, the properties are over here, so you have the font family that you can choose from. You can change the style to bold. These, if you click on them, they highlight. You can change them, so you could change the font size, you can change the aspect. Come down here to a fill type, so you can kind of play with these things. If you're, I'll point out a couple of them in class. But for the most part, just a simple title will be sufficient. You can play around with it however you want, but a simple title will work. So once you're done, it's already saved, so you simply close the window and then you'll notice now we have a title added here. So we're just basically building our project. We have our clips and photos, sound, and now we have a title to get started.